So I have a connection problem. These two cords, this one goes to the accumulator, and this one goes to the power panel. It is the door panel power, and that power carries on pin number 4 here. It should carry 5.8 volts that ends up lighting the menu select button, and also the select button on the left side, the red one, and then the red button on the left side of the numbers. Now, there it beeped. So I checked the connections here on the female plug, and I checked them on the male plug, and I still get intermittent. And what I've determined is right here is where the problem occurs, down at this joint. So I'm pretty sure that's where it is. I don't think it's in this, it's not in the male plug here. Let's see if I can get it to beep. Wiggle that wire and it stays solid, the sound, connectivity. But when I move this wire here, it stops. And I can turn it back and it starts again. If I hold it steady, it stays steady. I move it there and it stops. I can only say rats.